Hey guys, I'm Dupree, and today I'm going to teach you a really cool trick shot that some of you might not have ever seen before. So I don't really know what to call this shot. I always just called it the heart shot. It's pretty popular though. There's GIFs of it everywhere. Usually Valentine's Day, it's a really popular thing to see on social media. So basically what this shot is you make a heart out of these balls. And it's going to take me a little bit to do this. So like so. And you leave like one open space. So let's say I'm going to leave that one open. And then the goal is take a cue ball, or any ball really, and you're going to swing it around the rails and have it fill in that gap. Now I usually do this shot 5 rails, and this shot is mostly speed. One thing you have to worry about this shot is speed. So I'm going to swing it around 5 rails, which means I'm going to have to shoot it from over here. The goal is to go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Actually it's going to be 7 rails, but y'all know this is the 5 rail kick shot. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then 6, 7. Into that little hole. Now we're going to play the shot. One common thing with this shot, if you want the cue ball to hit further up this rail, you add more right spin. But something that's the danger with adding much right spin is the side pocket. So when you add a ton of spin, see how it can just fire into that pocket? So you want the cue ball to hit around this area, in between this third diamond and the side pocket. And my cue ball, I usually leave it somewhere in the middle of the table. You don't want to go straight center because that will bring you a bit too far down. That hit about here, and that's going to bring our cue ball either into the pocket or over to this side, which is not good for us. So I like to hit with a little high. It's a little high and about a tip of right. And it's really just focusing on getting the speed down. And you're going to make it a couple times and it's not going to look too pretty. So you want to shoot it until it looks really good. And it's better to get an aerial view like over here of the heart. So I'm going to try to do that for you as well. But here's the shot. So that is the heart shot. Thank you everyone for watching. If you enjoyed, make sure you hit the like button down below. If you want to see more videos like this in the future, make sure you subscribe to the channel. YouTube shows me that 87% of y'all that are watching are not subscribed to the channel. Subscribing is free. You can undo it at any time you want, so there's no reason not to. It just helps me out and helps me grow. So also I want to give a big shout out to the Billiard Factory for sponsoring this video, giving me this awesome table. Make sure you go check them out in the description down below for all your billiards wants and needs, and I will see you guys in the next video.